First, you need to go to the you can see black color sticker. You can see black color sticker. It's written here CO2 extinguisher, but sometimes the page is whole. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು CO2 ಅಂತ. So it is black color sticker. You can see that ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ black color sticker. ಇದು black color sticker ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು CO2 extinguisher ಅಂತ. ಇದನ್ನ A category ಟೈರಲ್ಲಿ, B ಟೈರಲ್ಲಿ, C category ಟೈರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 3 ಟೈರ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು CO2 extinguisher ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Open the extinguisher method is pass method, PASS method. There is two methods. Pull the pin, squeeze, pull the pin, aim to be fire, base of the fire, squeeze and swing. Okay.